First, you have to make sure that your Amazon Fire tablet is powered off, and on the right hand side at the top you have your power button here, and then you're going to press your volume down button here. You're going to press both at the same time here. Keep pressing and holding, and then you can go ahead and release once you see the Amazon logo here. And now you're in the options here to do the factory reset. Now you can go ahead and use the volume up and down button to get to the right option here. So we're going to go ahead and do a wipe data factory reset. Just remember that this will completely remove all the information that you have on your tablet. So once you're ready, go ahead and select it, and then you press the power button here. Again, use the volume down button or the up button to get to the correct option. So this one is factory data reset. Press the power button, and it's going to go ahead and do the reset here for you. So the wipe has been completed here, and now we do have the option to go ahead and do the reboot. It's already selected, so I just have to click on the power button right here and let it boot up again. And just like that, the factory reset has been completed.
To activate the voice view screen
and there you go.
press the power